Hello dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. After Diwali break, this is our first session, right? So let's start Unit 6. Okay. In Unit 6, today we will see one poem. The name of the poem is Mr. Nobody. So first, we will understand about this poem, we will read and recite this poem, then we will know some new words, words with meaning, sentences, question answer, and then we will also do exercises. So you all pay attention carefully and then do exercises in your notebook and some exercises in your textbook. So let's start our today's English session. Okay students, open your English textbook, page number 90, Unit 6, poem Mr. Nobody. First I will read this poem, then I will recite this poem and then we will understand. Mr. Nobody. I know a funny little man as quiet as a mouse who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house. There is no one ever sees his face, and yet we all agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. Okay, now let's try to sing also. I know a funny little man as quiet as a mouse who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house. There is no one ever sees his face, and yet we all agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. By Mr. Nobody. By Mr. Nobody. So, this is our poem. Okay, now listen. Has it ever happened that you have done some mischief at your home, and when father asked you that who had done this, at that time we tell that I do not know who has done this, or I don't do that thing, right? This thing happened at our home. So here also the poet is telling that I know a funny little man. I know one little man as quiet as a mouse. Right? That funny little man is very quiet. Right? Without making noise, he is as quiet like mouse. Right? As mouse doesn't make noise and destroy many things. Likewise, this funny little man is also as quiet as a mouse who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house. And in everybody's house, if is there any mischief done, and that is done by this funny little man. There is no one ever sees his face. Though this Mr. Nobody is in everybody's house, but no one ever sees his face. कभी किसी ने उसको देखा नहीं है, उसका face देखा नहीं है. And yet we all agree, right? Yet we all agree. We have not seen him, right? But we all agree, हम सब मानते हैं that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. But at our place, every plate we break, right? जो भी प्लेट टूटी है वो सब किसने तोड़ी है? Break by Mr. Nobody, and that is break by Mr. Nobody means सबके घर में कुछ ना कुछ गलत होता है, पर हम बोलते हैं नो, आई हैव नॉट डन दिस, आई डू नॉट डू दैट. ओके, सो दैट इज मिस्टर नोबडी, राइट? दैट इट इज़ ओनली इन इमेजिनेशन. आई डोंट नो हु हैड डन दिस. मुझे नहीं पता ये किसने किया है, मैंने नहीं किया है, पर ये किसने किया है, आई डोंट नो. राइट? वी ऑलवेज स्पीक लाइक दिस. सो दिस इज अ लिटल मैन, दैट इज मिस्टर नोबडी, right? That we have never seen him, but we always talk about him. So this is our poem, Mr. Nobody.